All the hard work, all the sacrifices, all the sleepless nights, struggles, downfalls, it all pays off. Basta wag na wag na wag ka lang susuko. A good system shortens the road to the goal. Ang sistema parang sasakyan. Mas magandang sasakyan, mas mabilis makakarating sa pupuntahan. When everything rises and falls on leadership, then the shortest distance to leadership is service. Because leadership is service, not position. People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Ayan. So, G-morning po sa lahat. Welcome po sa ating business opportunity meeting. At welcome po sa mga first-time guests natin. So, this is a recorded session. Nire-record po ngayon ang ating presentation. So, I just like to greet everybody. No? Type 1 naman po sa mga excited matutunan at malaman kung ano to or gaano kaganda tong opportunity natin ay di-discuss ngayong gabi na ito. So, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Okay, so nakita niyo po two videos showed, no? Kung sino po tayo, no? Not to brag, but to inspire, okay? So ngayon, pag-uusapan po natin ang negosyo na bumago po sa buhay ko. Okay? At patuloy na nagbabago sa buhay ng maraming tao, no? Life-changing talaga. All right? So without further ado, no? Thank you sa ating tech. Without further ado, I would like to start the presentation proper. Okay? So mag-share lang po ako ng screen ko. Ayan. Okay. PowerPoint. Right. So again, welcome po sa Supreme Entrepreneurs Club Business Opportunity Meeting. So sino po ba kami, no? Who are we? We are the Supreme Entrepreneurs Club, a sales and marketing business group whose goal is to help people with a desire to improve the quality of their lives by bringing quality and premium products and services and amazing business opportunities right at their doorsteps. Why are we here? Bakit po tayo nandito ngayon, no? To tell you about the most advanced stem cell therapy in the market today, the first oral stem cell technology with DNA and anti-inflammatory. Ang pag-uusapan po muna natin, no, bago tayo, before we dive in, ano ba yung ating Elixir Placenta, pag-usapan muna natin, ano ba ang stem cells muna? Okay? So stem cells are undifferentiated cells with the capacity to both differentiate and multiply into the 200 cells type that form a human being. So in Tagalog po, stem cells ay mga cells na wala pang uri. Now it becomes what our body needs. So ibig sabihin kung ang kailangan natin ay bone cells, dahil nabalian ng buto, the stem cells will become bone cells. Na sugat, the stem cells will become skin cells. I-repair niya po, i-regenerate niya kung ano yung nawala at nasira. Ang galing, ano? So kung ang may tama, kidney, magiging kidney cell siya. Kung ang may tama ay liver, magiging liver cell siya. Kung ang may problema ay heart, i-fix niya yun, i-repair niya, i-regenerate niya, aayusin niya yung sira, ibabalik niya yung nawala. Ang galing. So the reason behind our body's natural ability to heal itself, stem cells pala. Kaya pala, usong-uso ngayon at sobrang sikat, yung kay Enrile, kila Erap, no, na nagpapa-stem cell therapy na injection. Wherein the process is kukunin yung stem cells na nakaimbak sa bone marrow na ayaw nang lumabas pagka kayo po ay nagkakaedad na. Uhugutin doon at i-inject pabalik sa katawan, reproducing and creating billions of new stem cells. Bakit po kailangan yun? Kasi the sad news is that as we get older, the less stem cells we have. By age 35, we've already lost 50%. And by age 60, we've already lost 90%. So 90, 100 minus 90, ano ibig sabihin? No? 10% na lang ang natitira when we get to that certain age. So ano ngayon ang magiging effect, no? The less stem cells we have, the faster we will age and the slower we will heal. So mas mabagal na po ang paggaling ng pag nagkakasakit, pag tayo nagkakaedad na. At mas bumibilis din yung paghina ng ating katawan due to aging. Okay? Now, ano ngayon ang stem cell therapy? Stem cell therapy, also known as regenerative medicine, promotes the repair response of diseased, dysfunctional, or injured tissue using stem cells or their derivatives. It is the next chapter in organ transplantation and uses cells instead of donor organs which are limited in supply. Or magpapa-opera ka, no, ng organ mismo. Ang ginagawa po ng stem cell therapy, on a cellular level, nire-repair, pinapalitan niya po yung tissue na nasisira sa kahit na anong organs sa katawan natin. So hindi mo ngayon kailangan magpa-opera. So ito pong palang stem cell therapy ang huling bala natin at huling baraha o huling pag-asa bago magpa-opera. Kasi sino nga ba naman ang gustong mahiwa sa operating room? Tama po ba? So yun po ang kagandahan pala ng stem cell therapy. Kaya po sobrang sumisikat siya all over the world. Hindi lang po dito dahil kay Enrile, for 20 years it's been the talk of the town, sabi nga. Kasi sabi nga ang stem cell therapy, before you operate, regenerate. Bago ka magpa-opera, try muna natin ibalik yung mga nawalang stem cell at i-fix, no, i-repair yung mga nasisirang cells, no? So before you medicate, regenerate. So ang dami na pong mga headlines, mga articles about stem cell therapy na sabi nga ito ay sikreto to immortality. Okay? And then marami pong mga testimony worldwide, no, international, na because of the stem cell repair, nangyayari yung mga pain nawawala, knee pain, hip pain, shoulder pain. And ang good news po, with our premium product, no, our stem cell therapy product, ang dami na pong testimony na talagang nawala yung pain nila after taking just a few days pa lang of the product. Okay? So again, marami pong natitreat na sakit itong stem cell therapy from heart diseases. The reason why I'm taking it personally because may history po kami ng heart diseases sa family. Bone degeneration, spinal injury, meron po kaming user dito. Meron po siyang slip disc after like 5 days, wala pa pong 1 week na wala yung pain ng spinal injury niya. Cancer, no, over 77 different cases at mga sakit po. 200 testimonies, iba-ibang sakit. Yun po ang nagagawa ng stem cell therapy. Ano ngayon ang sources of stem cells? Bukod sa bone marrow, nanggagaling sa embryonic, cord blood or cord tissue, placental tissue, peripheral blood, and fat adipose. Okay? Now, sikat po ang stem cell therapy or kilala, no, na effective no? Sumisikat siya at nagiging trending siya. Effective siya. Unfortunately, the treatment can be costly or mahal in Tagalog. No, bakit? Kasi nga it addresses a bigger issue in our body, which is repair, no? Dinire-repair niya yung damage. Araw-araw po may nada-damage po sa katawan natin from the food we eat, from the environment, from the pollution, from the radiation, everything. Hindi na po healthy. So, laging may damage na nasusustain yung katawan natin bukod sa aging. Now, yung mga supplements, vitamins, deficiency lang po ang ina-address yan. Parang kumbaga sa sasakyan, naubusan lang ng gasolina. I-fill up mo lang ulit ng gas, tatakbo na ulit. Pag nasira na po ang kahit na anong organ sa katawan natin, pupugak-pugak na po ang takbo niyan. No? Hindi na maganda ang performance at pag talagang makina na ang may tama, hindi na inaandar kahit naka-full tank pa. So, ano pong ibig sabihin nun? To put it simply, mas mahal ang repair pag may damage at sira ang sasakyan kaysa magpagasolina lang. That is the whole concept of stem cell therapy. Ang good news po, we have Elixir Placenta. No? What is Elixir Placenta? Elixir Placenta is a stem cell therapy in a capsule. Oral po siya. Made from New Zealand deer placenta. Bakit? Kasi placenta daw po ng deer ang pinaka-compatible sa tao dahil pinakamalapit sa placenta ng tao. The benefits of stem cell therapy, DNA therapy, nag-combine siya with anti-inflammatory therapy in one soft gel capsule. So 3 benefits in one. This combination has been proven to be an effective treatment for arthritis, multiple sclerosis, heart attack, acute lymphoblastic leukemia, see, even cancer, heart attack, no? Other chronic diseases. So the anti-aging supplement also promotes cell growth and boosts immunity. No? So dumadami ulit yung stem cells natin. Okay? Kumbaga bumabalik ka sa pagkabata kasi di ba pagbata pa, dami pang stem cells. Kaya one of the kumbaga some of the most famous no na effect talaga ng elixir is you age backwards. Bumabata yung itsura. Kasi nga naman, skin ang pinakamalaking organ sa katawan, yun ang nire-repair niya. So bumabata po ulit yung skin. O, di ba? Now, bakit nga naman ganito ka-effective at bakit meron siyang 3 benefits? Kasi po, no, meron tayong 14 ingredients. Alright? 14 ingredients that is unique. No, nasa atin lang po yung formulation na ito. No, so ito po, as you can see on your screens, you can also screenshot this for your consumption, no, para maaral po ninyo at makita at ma-appreciate ninyo gaano kaganda at gaano ka high quality premium ingredients ang nakapaloob po sa isang capsule ng Elixir Placenta. No, so there are 3 ingredients for stem cell therapy that promotes the duplication and multiplication of new stem cells in the body. Huhugutin po yan sa bone marrow, sa kung saan-saan po galing para i-repair po yung mga sakit natin. And then, 4 ingredients for DNA therapy and several more ingredients for anti-inflammatory. Okay, so anti-inflammatory, yan naman po yung para yung mga maga sa katawan natin ay humupa. Kasi marami po tayong gamot na hindi po gagana pag meron pong pamamaga sa katawan natin. Parang pag nagpabunot ka ng ipin, hindi pwedeng bunutin. Pag maga, bakit hindi gagana yung anesthesia? So same po yung nangyayari. Now, ang nakakatakot po when we eat fried food nga daw, no? Anything fried, dumadami po yung inflammation sa loob ng katawan natin. Sa brain, sa lahat, no? Sa maraming areas ng katawan natin. DNA therapy, yan naman po yung inaayos yung genes natin, DNA natin. Bakit? Kasi marami po tayong minamanang sakit. Okay? So grabe po talaga. Very powerful itong produkto natin. Okay, so bakit po makakasiguro tayong napaka-quality ng product natin? Because our ingredients and technology are from these countries. Alright? Taiwan, Germany, New Zealand, Korea, and Portugal. Okay, na-feature na po tayo sa ASPN with our doctor and company nurse. Ayan, the manufacturing process talagang it ensures the quality of our product. Sobrang effective talaga niya, no? From the freeze drying to encapsulation. By the way, manufactured po ang ating Elixir placenta sa Taiwan. So very high quality talaga. Okay, so the manufacturing itself, from the packaging itself, makikita niyo kung gaano kaganda ang ating Elixir. At yung balot ng mismong capsule, high technology na po, 5 special technologies. It's non-stick, nitrogen injection para po talagang active yung ating ingredients, hindi namamatay, no? And then marami pa pong ingredients that maintains the activity of ingredients and improve the absorption sa katawan natin. Okay, so sealed with paraffin, everything, no? From the box, makapal po yung bote itself, right? So it isolates oxygen, moisture, and again, it maintains the activity of the raw materials. Okay? By the way, balikan ko ng konti, no? Marami po nagtatanong, hindi ba papatayin yung active ingredients ng stomach acid? Sa small intestine na po yan mabubutas. Ganun po kaganda yung technology ng ating encapsulation. So ma-absorb talaga, doon nangyayari ang absorption. Alright? Now, of course, sa mga nagtataka or medyo skeptic, FDA registered po tayo, BFAD, and halal certified. So hindi po tayo papasa sa mga to, mahigpit po itong mga to, lalo na po yung halal kung hindi po safe, no? Hindi, wag po kayo mag-alala, no? Hindi po ito high risk na product because makikita nyo po BFAD registered and halal certified. Okay, and we also promote the 6 months therapy. Okay, kung meron kong medyo malubhang karamdaman, we advise and we recommend, don't just go for one bottle. If you want to get the full benefits, you want healing talaga and makarecover pa, maagapan pa po, no? Mag 6 months therapy po tayo. This is the recommended dosage na uubos po ng around 6.5 bottles. So, mga 7 bote po ang uubusin natin for the 6 months therapy. Okay, so kung mapapansin nyo, kung ang isang bote is 19,500 as you've seen earlier, ang 7 po multiplied by 736,500 for the 6 months therapy. Now, this product is exclusively distributed by GFox International, a company founded since 2015. We will be celebrating our 9th anniversary this coming August 3. Sa Marquis BGC, you are invited, no? So ask the person who invited you to this webinar para makakuha din po kayo ng ticket at maka-attend, no? Tapos we have 3 branches as of now locally. We have the main office in Ortigas, another branch in Lucena, lahat po company owned, and another branch in Davao, and soon to open a branch in Cebu. Plus, we just recently opened a branch in our manufacturing country, which is Taiwan. And ang ating pong CEO and President is Mr. David Tan. He is Malaysian. Okay, hindi po siya Pinoy, Malaysian, no? And talagang expertise niya ay nasa food science talaga. Okay? Tapos, the board of directors, we have Taiwanese nationals, we have Filipino, Chinese, and isang Pinoy, no? Si Mr. Boy Manguera, formerly pa Vice Mayor, owns 17 branches of Mang Inasal. The Filipino-Chinese is Mr. Wilson Chua, owns a branch of restaurants, many restaurants, no? Construction firm, brother-in-law po siya ni Mr. Gokong Wei, no? And the rest are Taiwanese business people in construction, in manufacturing, okay? And many kinds of business. Now, meron pa po tayong ibang products. We have drop shipping products that are around 500 to 1,000 pesos only. No, marami po. Sari-saring produkto. We have spirulina, Ganoderma, King of Mushroom, spirulina superfood. We have Kojic papaya soap. We have plenty of other products actually. But we really recommend and promote our premium products if you really want high quality and talagang alam nyong mas magiging mabisa siya. No? Kung willing ka to spend for it, why not? Tama? Kung mas matibay, mas malakas naman ang epekto. Okay? So we have also our Exo Celestial panglabas naman. Kung ang elixir ay pangloob, Exo Celestial panglabas para sa mukha, para hindi lang talaga mag-repair ng skin, talagang gaganda palalo yung ating cutis. Okay? So Exo Celestial is the only skincare product in the market today with exosome. Ang meron lang pong exosome treatment, hindi product, is si Bello lang po, which is 25,000 also, pero per session. Hindi itong set na to na pang ilang buwan mo nang gagamitin. Si Bello po per session, at ang recommendation niya is 2 sessions per week. So that's 200,000 a month. So ganun katindi. Dito po, at the convenience of your own home, ikaw na mag-a-apply, 25,000 per set, good for ilang months na po. Okay? Now, let's go straight to the opportunity. Ang ganda po ng products, Sir Mike. Ang ganda ng ating mga explanation and everything. Very, very powerful yung product. How about the opportunity? No, sabi nga sa invitation namin, hindi lang po sarit-saring sakit at iba't ibang klase ng sakit. Damay po sakit sa katawan, damay po sakit sa bulsa. No, pagka kayo po ay nag-elixir placenta through this opportunity. Now, how do you become a part of the opportunity? You just simply purchase at least 1 bottle or the premium pack. For 19,500, you will get all these benefits. No, and you have access to 8 ways to earn. Meron po tayong mas murang mga packages pero less bonuses po yon, and around 50% less din yung mga incentive and income. So if you really want to maximize, effortan mo na lang, kikita ka talaga ng todo, go for at least a bottle or the premium pack. Full 8 ways to earn, pwede nyong kitain. And just one way of earning, pwedeng kumita ng 36,000 a day. Grabe, no? Or that's 1 million plus potential income in a month sa isang bonus pa lang out of the 8. No? Now, what if isang set yung binili, gusto mag 6 months therapy? Magiging income booster pack po yan. No? Bakit? Kung ang isang bote, may 1 business account ka, when you get 7 bottles, may 7 business accounts ka, and automatically already earn from one of the bonuses that will give you an income of cash or cashback of 9,000 pesos right away. No? So yung 8 ways to earn, magiging times 7 yung potential niyan. So kung 36,000 a day sa isang bote, 1 business account, times mo, multiply that by 7, 252,000 per day or 7.5 million potential income from a booster pack. No, the therapy set. So 136.5, ang potential income is 7 million a month sagad. Ito po good news. Naka-promo po tayo ngayon. When you buy 7, you get 2 free. Ayos, no? So very big savings kasi lumalabas for the price of 7, 9 bottles ang makukuha. Kung i-divide nyo po yung 136.5 by 9, lumalabas po 15,166 na lang per bottle versus 19.5 pag pa-isa-isang bote po ang bilhin ninyo. So very big savings and discount when you go for the 7 plus 2 promo. Habang naka-promo pa po, avail na po kayo nito. Maximize pa po at nakatodo yung inyong income potential. So paano nga ba kinikita yung income na yan? Okay, doon na tayo pumunta. So we have 8 ways to earn, but since masyadong marami po yung 8, baka mag-information overload po kayo, no? Bahala na po si Pares overload doon. Ayoko po kayong maging information overload. So we will discuss at least 4 of the main bonuses and rewards when you do the business with us. Okay, so the first one is retail profit. Earn 1,200 per bottle, no? When you sell this product, or 8,400 per set per therapy set. Kasi 7 bottles ang set, di ba? Yung 2 kasi libre naman yun. So wala kang commission dun sa libre. Dun sa 7 bayad, meron kang 8,400. Kasi 1, 2 times 7. And up to 50% discount or profit from our drop shipping products. The spirulina, the Ganoderma, the soap, the coffee, the milk tea. Okay? Second bonus is the group sales bonus. Sabi dito, per bottle, 1,200, per set, 8,400. Paano kung yung nabentahan mo, nagbenta din? Yan. Since sila ay naging member na rin at naging affiliate, you earn from the sales of your affiliates up to the 6th level. Lahat ng mabebentahan mo, magiging affiliate mo or downline mo. Okay? So yung directly ikaw nakabenta, 1-2 per bottle, 8-4%. Pero pag sila nakabenta, yung first level mo, ikaw nakabenta, second level, benta nung first level mo yan. May 480 ka per bottle, 3-3%. Third to fifth level, hindi mo nakakilala, nakabenta sila online through Facebook ads, e-commerce, meron kang 360 per bottle or 2-5%. On the sixth level, babalik sa 480 per bottle, 3-3%. No? My sister earned so much na already from this bonus from one person. Okay? Isang tao lang nabentahan niya, yung isang tao na yun may nabentahan, tuloy-tuloy po yung benta. Ito po yung kinikita ng sister ko, puro set pa yung binibili. No? So ang dami pong bumili sa DNR and many other places. So 2-5%, 3-3-8-4 na nagsanga-sanga na lang po galing sa isang referral, galing sa isang affiliate. So ang galing. Okay? So that's the group sales bonus. What if bote-bote po ang usapan? Try natin i-compute at ipagawa ng projection, no? So halimbawa nakabenta ka sa 5 tao, so meron kang 5 affiliate on your first level. Meron kang 6,000, 1-2 per bottle. Yung 5 nakabenta rin sa tigli-5, tigi isang bote lang. Sa second level mo may 25 bottles sold. May 12,000 ka. On the third, 125, tigli-5 lang din. So 5 by 5 lang po ang duplication or multiplication. Ito po yung nagiging income ninyo per level. Can you imagine? So total of 8.9 million. Okay? Pag pinagsama mo lahat ng income mo hanggang 6 level sa palima-limang tao na nabebentahan per affiliate, per downline. Ang galing. No? Now, bukod dyan, kung malaki na yan, grabe, malaki na yan ha. Busog po talaga sa bonuses kasi meron pang tinatawag na team sales bonus. Okay, so sabi dito, with the therapy set, you can create up to 8 groups under you to maximize team sales bonus. Kasi yung kanina, group sales. So, isang grupo lang yon. What if you sold? Kasi pwedeng yung 5 tao, pinagsama-sama mo sa isang grupo. Dito po, you can create up to 8 groups when you get the therapy set or 7 business accounts. Okay? So pagka meron kang hiwa-hiwalay na group, magkakaroon po ng matching yung kanilang sales. So para hindi na po kayo mahirapan, let me show the income projection na lang. For example, personally, ikaw, kumuha ka ng therapy set, the 7 plus 2 promo ngayon, meron ka pong 9,000 right away from team sales bonus. Okay, kasi yung 7 mong account, pinag-iwa-hiwalay mo na yun. Ngayon, pag ikaw ay nakabenta ng 4 at pinag-iwa-hiwalay mo, hindi mo pinagsama-sama sa isang group yung 4, pinag-iwa-hiwalay mo sila, nagsimula ka sa 4, huwag mo munang isagad sa 8, mahirap pong i-manage yan. So, let's say 4 muna. Yung 4 po na yun na set, kumita po kayo ng total 78,000 pesos. 33,000 galing sa group sales and 44,000 galing sa team sales. So may 78,000. Now, turuan po natin yung 4, makabenta lang din ng tiga-4 na set. Yung 4, makabentang 4, 16 therapy set on the second level will give you a total income of 267,000 pesos. So yung 4, nakabenta lang din ng tiga-4. Yung 16, nakabentang tiga-4, that would be how many? 64 sets sold on the third level, which will give you 1.1 million total income on the third level alone. Meron pang 4th, 5th, 6th till infinity. No, yung 6 matatapos na po sa group sales, matatapos sa 6th level. Pero sa team sales po, dire-diretso po yan hanggang infinity. Galing, no? And lastly, we have the GFox Lifestyle Rewards. For every 9,000 team sales bonus you get, may kaakibat po siya na 300 GLR points. Ipunin nyo lang yung points na yan. Pag umabot ng at least 6,000 points, you can buy anything worth 6,000 and up. I-forward nyo yung resibo sa kumpanya and then you will be getting or reimbursed back the 6,000 pesos galing po sa inyong lifestyle reward, GLR. O, di ba? Yung iba inipon 15,000, 20. Yung iba inipon ng 100,000 or 120, bumili ng luxury bag. Libre na po. Kasi nga, galing na sa points. Okay, so again, kumita ka na ng pera, may points pa nakasama pang guiltless shopping. Yan. Kasi di ba minsan nakaka-guilty mag-shopping kasi sayang yung pera. Ito, points. Hindi mo mariredeem yung points pag hindi mo muna bili. Okay? So, ang galing, no? So, walang guilt sa part dito pag pinambili mo ng kung ano-ano. Bahala ka na dyan. Alright? So, yan na po yung 4. Okay? Now, yan. Let me go on to right. Okay. So, let me just share with you gaano naman katotoo no yung ating income or opportunity na yan. So, kung ang product po may testimony ng gumaling, may testimony na lumakas, may testimony na bumata, no? Ang atin pong opportunity, of course, may testimony ng nabago ang buhay, na improve yung quality ng life financially. Okay? Yun nga lang, in every opportunity, nandoon syempre yung hindi ko alam paano gawin yan. First time ako sa ganyan. Wala akong background sa sales, sa marketing. Mahihain ako. No? And lahat po yan was me before. Buti na lang, no? If I may use what Richard Branson said, one of the richest people in the world, sabi niya, if somebody offers you an amazing opportunity and you are not sure you can do it, okay, say yes, then learn how to do it later. So in short po pala, pwede namang aralin. No, if you really want your life to change, the quality of your life financially to change, no, hindi ka nahirap magbayad ng mga bills, hindi yung utang ka na ng utang, habol ng due date. If you want that to change, pwede namang aralin. No? So in short, kung sa school, nagbayad ka ng tuition fee to learn a job, dito po, you just need to buy Elixir to learn how to earn very, very big. Aaralin lang din. Ang good news po, libre po lahat ng ating training programs. No? Well, except the mga events natin, syempre pinaghahandaan yun. But all the training programs are provided for free. So, yun po yung dahilan kung bakit po we got from this to this. Okay? So praise God po, no? Only by the grace of God, nabigyan ko ng pagkakataon to learn this opportunity. Nilakasan ko lang po yung loob ko. Nag-enroll po ako sa mga ganitong business and natuto po ako. Lahat po ng inaaral natututunan. Kaya nga po lahat ng pumasok ng elementary, marunong magbasa, magsulat. Unless it's a special case, no? For the majority, pag nakatapos ka ng elementary, marunong ka magsulat, magbasa regardless of who you are or your background. Tama po ba? Basta nag-aral ka, matututunan mo siya. Okay? So, ito po yung nangyari. No? I only started in this business January 19, 2023. This was my time of registration or date of registration. And as you can see, I have a total of 7 business accounts because I got the therapy set. Ito po yung income per account. As you can see, lower right. No? Lower right. Total income po ng lahat ng 7 is 6.2 million pesos. Grabe. January 19 lang po last year, ang income ko na po total from my 7 accounts is 6.2 million pesos. Can you imagine kung 1 bottle lang binili ko, hindi ako nagdagdag or hindi ako nag-therapy set, then 3.9 million lang sana. Yun po yung advantage. So parang halos doble po ang aking kinita because of multiple accounts that I have because of the therapy set. Income booster pack talaga siya. So ako, I highly recommend it. Kung willing ka naman gawa ng paraan, just like how you would with tuition fee, with everything, no? Go for the income booster pack or the therapy, 6-month therapy set. Okay? Kaya naman po, yan, yung iba baka nag-iisip, nako, baka naman po, you have something special. Baka naman po ang galing ninyo. Baka naman po mahusay talaga kayo dyan. No po. No? I wanna show you this. Ayan. Uy, meron palang ganun. Sorry. Okay. Ayan. Ako yung isang ordinaryong tao lang din po. Hindi po ako nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. I'm an undergraduate. My wife is also an undergraduate. In short, ako po ay ordinary person only. I'm not even a genius, no, or summa cum laude, magna cum laude. Never po ako na ganun even in my elementary high school days. Okay, so hindi po ako nakatapos ng college, hindi po mataas yung IQ ko. Ayan, so ordinaryong tao na nanggaling din po sa hirap, nagsumikap, nangarap, nagsumikap, nakakita ng magandang opportunity, inaral, and nabago po ang buhay. No? So in GFAX po, in 3 months, we were able to buy a brand new Montero Sport Black Series. And a few months after na mga sumunod, ang good news po dito, hindi lang ako. Sa team po ng Supreme, after ko po, meron na pong 3 pang nakapaglabas sunod-sunod. May naglabas po ng nakabili ng MG, may nakabili po ng Hilux, yung Conquest pa, no? The high-end pickup ng Hilux. And 2 po sila, no? And then I get to buy my wife luxury. May libre din, no? Yung iba bili, yung iba free incentive, no? Kakabili lang po sa kanya a few months ago ng Philip Stein, no? And ako po recently, last month lang, I just purchased a new Rolex. Okay? Tapos ang maganda po dyan, hindi lang po ako ang kumikita sa group. Sabi nga sa naunang video ko inabutan ninyo, mas marami kang matulungan kumita, mas lalaki lalo yung income. So the reason why I earned already around 6 point something million in just a year, because in just a year also, ito na po yung nagka-resulta at meron na rin po tayong dito sa picture na to, 3 Millionaires Club. At the same time, update po, meron din pong bago, babae naman. No? Millionaires Club. Yung may-ari po ng Hilux na gray, siya yung po yung bago nating Millionaires Club. So we have 4 Millionaires Club. Kumita na po ng more than 1 million sa team natin in just a year. And that's the reason why successful po tayo sa business. And gusto po namin, kayo po yung mga susunod na makakabili ng pangarap nilang sasakyan, magkakaroon ng milyon-milyon na income sa tulong po ng buong grupo and with GFAX International. Going from ordinary to exceedingly extraordinary life. So yun po. Ayan. Stop broadcast. Okay. So tapos na po ang ating presentation. Sana po na-enjoy ninyo, naintindihan. Kung meron pong hindi naintindihan, feel free to ask us, no, the people who invited you to this webinar, feel free to ask us about more information. Okay? And at the same time, if you have that desire to really, wala pong pilitan kung walang desire, no? Hindi nagustuhan, saktuhan lang, no? Ano lang, wala lang, ayos lang, no? Wala pong pilitan, you can move on with your life. Pero if you have that desire na mabago po yung buhay ninyo, just like me, then we are inviting you, pagtulungan po natin, no? Kung paano po ako tinulungan at paano po kami nagtutulungan ng grupo, sama po kayo. Okay? So God bless you all. Maraming salamat. Enjoy the rest of the night. God bless. And again, looking forward to work with each and every one of you. Sama-sama po tayong tuparin ang mga pangarap natin. Thank you.
God bless.
God bless.
For...
Thank you, Coach.